Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the best ways to view and manage your DWG files on your Android device? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be discussing two of the top DWG Viewer apps that can help you access and work with your CAD drawings seamlessly. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or simply someone who needs to review design files on the go, these apps are perfect for you. Let's get started. ZWCAD Mobile DWG Viewer. ZWCAD Mobile is a powerful DWG Viewer app that allows users to view and edit DWG files on their Android devices seamlessly. The app is specifically designed for professionals in fields like architecture, engineering, and construction. ZWCAD Mobile offers a user-friendly interface that facilitates easy navigation through complex drawings. Users can zoom, pan, and rotate their designs effortlessly. Additionally, the app provides various markup tools, allowing users to annotate and highlight specific areas within the drawings. With cloud integration features, ZWCAD Mobile enables users to access and save files from platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox, making it a versatile choice for on-the-go professionals needing to review and collaborate on CAD files. DWG FastViewer. DWG FastViewer is another excellent app for viewing DWG files on Android devices. Designed for speed and efficiency, this app allows users to quickly open large DWG files without lag, making it suitable for users who need immediate access to their designs. DWG FastViewer offers essential viewing features like zooming, panning, and rotating, as well as the ability to switch between different layers within the drawings. Users can also take measurements directly from the drawings and utilize various display options, including different color schemes. The app supports multiple file formats, such as DWG and DXF, and can work offline, making it convenient for users who may not always have internet access. Overall, DWG FastViewer combines functionality with quick access, making it ideal for professionals who require a reliable DWG viewer. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best DWG Viewer apps helps you find the perfect tool for managing your CAD files on your Android device. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tips. Which app are you most interested in trying? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy designing!